Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the charging port on the HP 15BW025NS laptop. This is a common issue that can impact your device's performance, and with the right tools, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your tools. To begin, you'll need a few essential tools. A Phillips head screwdriver. A flathead screwdriver. A spudger or plastic opening tool. Anti-static wrist strap, recommended. A new charging port compatible with HP 15BW025NS. Step 2. Power down and prepare. Ensure the laptop is completely powered down. Disconnect it from any power source and remove the battery if possible. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the laptop. Step 3. Remove the back cover. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the screws holding the back cover. Keep track of the screws, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Take your time here to avoid damaging the clips. Step 4. Locate the charging port. With the back cover removed, locate the charging port on the motherboard. It is usually near the rear of the laptop, where the power adapter connects. Make a note of how the port is connected. Step 5. Disconnect the old charging port. Carefully disconnect the old charging port from the motherboard. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently lift any clips if necessary. Be cautious not to damage nearby components. Step 6. Clean the area. Before installing the new port, take a moment to clean the area with compressed air. This removes dust and debris that could cause issues later on. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Step 7. Install the new charging port. Take your new charging port and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring it fits snugly into place. Press down gently until you hear a click, indicating that it is securely connected. If you don't have the tools or time, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service for convenience. Step 8. Reassemble the laptop. Now that the new charging port is in place, carefully reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all screws you removed earlier. Step 9. Test the new charging port. Reconnect the battery and power source. Turn on your laptop and check if the new charging port works correctly. If you experience any issues, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the charging port on your HP 15BW025NS laptop. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. With the right tools and careful handling, this DIY repair can save you both time and money. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.